there, welcome to our channel. We are all about turning innovation into reality. You are likely seeing hair dryers on TV or online ads like this.
Nice.
I bet you are curious about how those hair dryers are made, right? Well, today, we are going to explore this. This is where ideas really come to life. When it comes to making hair dryers, you come up with the injection molding process. Injection molding allows for precise and efficient mass production of various products, of course, including hair dryers. Before we can start injection molding, we've got to make an injection mold. Once we have the mold ready, we'll place it on the injection molding machine to complete the whole injection molding cycle. Now that we've got a perfect molding, it's time to proceed with the injection molding of the hair dryers. Usually, the various components of the hair dryers are injected individually. During the process, we go through a series of steps: loading the mold, heating the material, building it up, applying pressure, opening the mold, and finally injecting the finished parts. Finally, our workers or robotic systems take these molding parts out of the machines. The beauty of injection molding is its exceptional production efficiency. This allows manufacturers to mass produce hair dryers without sacrificing quality or design. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Through this video, I believe you will gain a basic understanding of mass-producing hair dryers. Of course, there are plenty of other steps involved in production that I didn't mention earlier. Things like DFM, mold machining, quality inspection, fancy service treatments, and a whole lot more. So, the next time you pick up your favorite hair dryer and bask in lactose goodness, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey these components have been on. Thanks to Prototool injection molding process, all of this becomes possible. Welcome to joining us as we explore kinds of machining process.
Or what topic of the video would you like to learn from our video on injection molding processing? Come and tell us.